Hey, let's go. Freedom.
What happened, baby? My toe. What happened to your toe? Your boo? You got a boo boo on your toe?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Okay?
Yeah.
It's your dirty feet. So we're going to take a bath in a minute, okay? Hey folks, welcome to my channel. And in today's video, we are going to be showcasing Miss Thing. If you're new to my channel, welcome. We do everything here synthetically fun for now. And if you're planning on sticking around, okay. And if you've been here and you already know what we're about to do, let's go ahead and get into Who's That Girl, and I can go ahead and give you all her sneaky details. All right, come on, let's go. Okay, so this is actually the second time I'm recording this. The first time, my mic was off and I didn't even realize. I did a whole video and my mic was off, so I might show you like bits and pieces of what that video was and probably intertwine this video with that video. I'm not too sure yet, but let's get into who she is. So this is actually a converter cap from Outre. Now, if you know about the converter caps, look at here, right here, these cute styles. Her name is Sway Soiree. If you know about these converter cap, these are literally half wigs that you can either use as a ponytail, do as a half wig, or make her into a full wig, which I tried to do. Hair is very thin in the front and it's graying like crazy. So I tried to take a little bit of the hair that I have in the front and try to blend her in to make her look a little bit more realistic. I think I pulled it off, but y'all let me know in the comments below what y'all think. This Outre converter cap features are limitless styling possibilities, revealing your own hairline for a realistic look, breathable and flexible cap that lays flat, adjustable drawstring for a custom fit, premium synthetic fiber. Now the inside of the card shows you more styles of what you can do with her, as well as how you can wear her. Again, ponytail, full wig, half wig if you want to. Now you have options with this wig. Now if you're thinning in the front like I am and you don't feel like showing off any hair, you can literally get a scarf or bandana or something to put in the front and then just wear this way. I love the way I did this though. I'm not gonna lie to you. I think she is very cute this way. If you have hair in the front, you can literally blend your hair into here. Just take a little bit out just to cover the little lumpy hump, and that's just it. I'm not going to do any other styles because I like her just like this. Maybe I should try another style. I don't even know. But she's such a cutie patootie. She feels nice. Her curls are awesome. The color blend, baby. One thing Outre definitely knows how to do is color blend a wig, okay? Because this dark root to the light is everything right now. Like sexy. She's giving cute. She's giving sundress summertime vibe. She is giving. Now, would I buy her again? Yes, definitely will. I might have to buy her in another color because my mama already claimed this one. I gotta give this one up, but I'll definitely buy her again. And there is unlimitless wears to this wig. You can dress her up, you can dress her down, you can do her every day. You can literally do whatever, like vacation, yes, summertime, picnic party, yes, like every event that's coming up, yes. And no one would really tell you that this is not, or can really tell if this is your hair or not, because she just has such a realistic vibe to her. These converter caps, oh my gosh, child. And they come in array of different kind of affordable, because if I'm correct, I think she was under $30. Affordable hair can change looks. You know, you ever look crazy and then put a slap on the wig and then be like, damn, is that really you? You know what I mean? So I just hope that Minus the fact that, you know, girl trying to do a YouTube thing and be, you know what I'm saying, on point, make some money. I just hope that this actually, someone can see me in this wig and say, hey, she got my face, she got my shape, she got my issues, she got my whatever. I'm going to go ahead and go buy this wig and pop it on my head and feel good about myself. Because who doesn't want to feel, as a female, who doesn't want to feel pretty and dainty and just, you know what I'm saying, but different all the time? Because I don't really like looking like the same person all the time. I like the wow factor. I love the wow factor. I love to just be like, who that girl, Vageline? It's me. It's me. I promise it's me. It's always me. Anyway, folks, if you like what you see in this video, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and hit that notification bell so every time I upload a baddie like this one, and believe me, baby, she bad. Oh, she bad. You will go ahead and get notified. All right, guys? I love you so much. Have a good one. Bye. Baby, baby, take it. Love me. Come and rude boy, boy, come and get it out. Come and rude boy, boy, can you get it out? Take me. Love me.